Okay, hey there, people. And today we're going to be talking about the Vaseline Intensive Care Essentials Healing Lotion. Yeah. Now, this is the lotion that I used to put on my grandmother's feet just about every night when I was staying with her. There are certain people out there that have certain kind of rough feet, and my grandmother had that kind of rough, callousy foot that was really dry and like hard, and even some of the parts were kind of sharp, where it was really drying around the toes and everything. And it kind of needed some special care. And I was shopping around for some lotion that would kind of do that, And I tried a few things, and actually a few worked, but were way too expensive. I tried others that were really cheap and didn't work at all. But the Vaseline Intensive Care Essential Healing, this is the one I found. This actually worked very well, and it was very economical. And it smells really, really good. It really leaves your skin with a flowery type scent, and it absorbs really, really good. I mean, you don't have to rub it very long to get that softness going, and that's what you really want. It comes out like there. It's not oily. I mean, there's oil in it, but it's not oily or greasy. It absorbs really, really well. Yeah, I mean, you get that in there, and it just really makes your skin feel really, really soft. Real, yeah. And I used this on her feet for a long time, and it changed everything. I mean, the hard, crispy edges were gone, and she even felt better because her feet were so soft after that. Now, it took a little while to get this going because her feet it was pretty something, but it works. It really does work well. And actually, Vaseline, that is a pretty good brand. I use it for different things too. I mean, actually, the petroleum jelly I also use from Vaseline for my little one, my little baby. But yeah, and I think this is a really good buy, and you can't get past the smell. The smell really, really is what gets you. I mean, besides the actual softening that it does on your feet itself, it really, really gets in there. Yeah, and I've seen these in small, economical packs, that you can use for travel, and that fits really good inside your luggage or suitcase or any kind of traveling bag. That's what I like. I really like things that you can travel with and that just packs away, just for a few days. I mean, this one is kind of large, but it does come in the small packs, which is good. And the Vaseline here, this kind of lotion comes in, several different fragrances, but this one, it does me well. I like it a lot. I swear by it. Hopefully, I'll get a chance to try a bunch of the different other kinds, but this is non-greasy at all. I mean, it will not make you feel greasy at all. And it helps healing. I mean, a lot of times people have this cracked skin that actually will look like it'll get so cracked and dry that it will actually kind of look like it's a sore, and like a crack can get really deep and to the point where it feels like any time it's going to start bleeding or something, you know, if you don't get in there. This helps to heal it. I mean, you put this on for like 3 weeks where it was like really cracked and chafed like that, will be healed. It will. The healing will. I mean, you'll notice the difference. It will be so soft and it will, you know, heal right up. It really promotes healing, and it's something that I think is really, really a good buy, because no one wants to be walking around with dry skin. I mean, it's or ashy. Yeah. So that is the Vaseline Intensive Care Essential Healing Lotion. It's really good. I hope everybody goes out and gets some. Okay, guys. Well, that's the information for that, and I hope you used it. Okay? I will talk to you soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.